Welcome to Kettle Lab's How-To series. Today we'll guide you through implementing data versioning with Fabric Delta Lake. Check out the description for our previous tutorial on creating a Fabric Lakehouse, as we'll build on that setup. Now sign in and let's get started. First, we'll create a new subfolder in our existing Lakehouse. Then we'll upload a CSV file named products.csv into the subfolder and refresh the subfolder to view the file. Now we will run several commands to achieve different results. You may pause the video each time to take note of the commands. First, we'll run the following command that uses PySpark to define the schema of products.csv with fields like product ID, product name, category, and list price. Next, we'll run the following command that loads the CSV data into a DataFrame using the specified schema. Finally, we'll run the following command to save the data frame as a managed delta table. Once done, refresh the table to verify the table creation. To save the data frame as an external delta table, run the command after copying and pasting the ABFS path into it. This stores metadata in the Lakehouse while keeping the data external. Next, we'll first run an SQL command for managed products, then another for external products to compare their storage locations. Next, we'll run commands to drop both the managed and external tables. Note that the data files for external tables will remain even after the table is dropped. Now, let's create a delta table using the existing data in the external folder by running the provided command. Once created, query the newly created products table to view its contents by executing the following command. Next, we will run the following command to demonstrate versioning with an update by reducing the list price of items in the road bikes category by 10%. Finally, we can view the table's version history using the following commands, which display all past transactions and modifications made to the table. This tutorial covers data versioning with Delta Lake in Fabric, highlighting how Delta tables, updates, and history support data integrity, auditing, and flexible management. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching!